Good evening, Robert Scribbler filming south and east from Jeanette's Pier as a surfer really tucks into a beautiful wave here. Getting a nice little surf on the left hand side, and yeah, I'm sorry, one on the left and one on the right. Two beautiful waves. Official wave reports in the range of 4 to 6 foot. As you can see, we've got some faces that are well overhead, rolling in off North Atlantic Ocean today, held up by some westerly winds, and beautiful swell coming in here from what's left over of Philippe, and we're going to be enjoying a nice swell here in the Outer Banks over the next couple of days, slowly fading, but nonetheless very good conditions, I believe, for the rest of this evening into early tomorrow morning and through tomorrow and possibly into Thursday, although the wave heights are likely to subside considerably as we get on into Tuesday and possibly Wednesday. Wow, look at all these birds flying. All right, so let's get down to some of the local wave observations provided by the wave models, the buoy data, and the wave monitors. Okay, so here at Nag's Head officially 3 to 4 foot and clean. I would say rather larger than that, at least here at Jeanette's Pier on the outside. And primary swell coming in and out of the east at 4.5 feet and 10 seconds. Air temperature 63 degrees. Ocean water temperature 71 to our north. In Virginia Beach, 2 to 4 foot and clean. Rodanthe, 3 to 5 foot and clean. We swell at 4.6 foot in 10 seconds. Westerly winds at 14 miles per hour. Air temperature 63 degrees. Ocean water temperature 73. And then down at Buxton, 3 to 5 foot and clean conditions. Primary swell from the east at 4.5 foot and 10 seconds. Westerly winds at 10 miles per hour. Air temperature 63 degrees. Ocean water temperatures 74 degrees Fahrenheit. And then last of all at Frisco, ooh, that guy barely making it out. Nice little right hand side there on the bomb. And at Frisco, 2 to 4 foot and semi clean conditions as waves pounded on the sandbar here just to the south of Jeanette's Pier. Okay, so offshore we have the remnants of Philippe moving up into the Canadian Maritimes. We have the remnant swell from Philippe rolling in here to the Outer Banks, and that's what we're enjoying now in these beautiful wave conditions. And far, far out to sea, according to the National Hurricane Center, we have a tropical disturbance off the Azores. I'm sorry, off of Africa right now. I guess I have Azores on the brain. We got a tropical disturbance off of Africa with an 80% chance of developing into a tropical cyclone. All right, so that'll round up our wave report for today as we watch another swell roll in on the south side of Jeanette's Pier. Hopefully we can catch one more surfer as we conclude this wave report. Catch one more surfer catch in the wave. Looks like we got maybe a little set rolling in here. And as we conclude, I like to ask you guys, please do everything you can to help protect our coastlines from the impacts of climate change driven by fossil fuel burning. Those impacts being rising sea levels, more intense storms, ocean heat waves, and ocean acidification. All of these effects very harmful to our coastal environments, and the primary solution to the climate crisis being the mass deployment of clean energy to replace fossil fuel burning. Woo! Nice. Oh, get a little link up there. Oh, maybe. All right. So thank you for joining me for this session of the OBX Wave Report. Shout out to all my friends who got into the Witchcraft Surf event on Saturday with me. What a fun event, so much fun, and still a lot of fun to be had in the surf here in the Outer Banks. Hope you guys get out there and enjoy these beautiful waves. And oh, here we go. Whew. One last surfer taking the right and kind of eating it there on the bomb. All right, so thank you for joining me once again, and I will be back with you very shortly.